So as long as our film is watched and appreciated and liked, I don't really care whether it's in the theaters or in somebody's living room. It makes no difference to me. I just want to be a really good actor. I'm not concerned about the tags. I don't want to be a hero. I just want to make a living doing what I really enjoy doing, which is acting.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I'll be chatting with Karan Kapadia, who's all set for his next film and I'm sure to impress us all in Durgamati. Hi Karan, welcome to Peeping Moon.
Hi, thank you so much for the nice introduction that you just gave me.
Most welcome. So Karan, tell me the debut that you made, you were, referred to as a promising actor back in 2019 and now of course you're coming with Durgamati. How was your entire experience of, shooting and being a part of this film?
It was an amazing experience. Blank, as you said, which was my first film, happened last year, and there was some time in between the two projects. Obviously, Blank didn't do as well as I would have liked it to do, and I learned a lot within that time about myself. I improved myself. So when Durgamati came my way, and I knew the star cast and the director that was attached to it, and I knew the level of expectancy when it comes to performance. I made sure that I was, more than prepared to sort of hold my own because I'm working with such phenomenal actors and technicians. So I was just extremely excited, to have this opportunity to be a part of this incredible project.
Okay. And tell me something more about your character Shakti, which of course we got a glimpse from the trailer and the song, but if you could, shed some light.
Yeah, so the thing I think with the genre of film that we're making, it's so easy to give spoilers away. So I can just elaborate a little bit maybe on what you guys have already seen and the content that we've put out, which is basically we all know that Bhumi is the protagonist of this film, Chanchal Chauhan, and my character obviously has a romantic relationship with her, and we end up getting married. I think you saw the entire sort of journey of their
Yeah.
relationship in that song from
Yeah.
when they first meet and how there's this awkward sort of first few interactions between them, which slowly blossoms into something more till they eventually get married
Yeah.
at the end of the song. So obviously there is this equation where we are married and there's this romantic connection. I think other than that, I would not like to add anything as to how my character affects the film or the story
Yeah.
because I don't want to give anything away. But all I can say is that he is a very important part of Chanchal's life, and obviously that plays a part in many decisions that she makes in the film.
Okay. And as you also mentioned that, in Blank, you had this really sort of different role. And in this one, of course, there is a side which we see that was not seen before. But did you have to unlearn some things in the process of acting for this one?
No, not really. I think I'm a very instinctive actor, so I never really think too much about my sort of like it's not like I study up or become too sort of geeky with it. And you
Okay.
know what I mean. I don't
Yeah,
overthink
yeah.
things and complicate things. I read the script. I try and understand the character to the best of my capabilities and try to understand the vision that the director is trying to execute and what direction he wants to take that character in. And then I just put my interpretation on it and I try to do the best that I can do. And I'm someone who's very instinctive. I never rehearse what I'm going to do or plan it. I just
Yeah.
sort of memorize the lines that I have to say, and then when I get on set, I perform, and the way it happens is the way it happens. So
Okay. And talking about your chemistry with the Bhumi, we saw it in the song, and there were like artworks, and fan really liked the
yeah,
effortless chemistry. So, how was it shooting with her?
it was an incredible experience shooting with her, and I think the chemistry was so good is because Bhumi and I actually really got along,
Okay.
in behind the camera, and we became really good friends, and we have a lot in common, and obviously our passion for acting and cinema is
Yeah.
something that can hold countless conversations. But her as an actor in itself, she's such a already at such a young age, such a seasoned actor, and she's
Mm.
put this plethora of work which is so diverse, and she's so impressive every time she comes in front of the camera, that I knew I had to be on my A game to sort of match her level, and not just her, Arshad sir, Jishu sir, whoever
Mm.
I had the chance to act with. So yeah, I think working with actors of a high caliber make you a better actor. I think it's with anything, right? If you're in sport, playing with better players make you a better player. I think it's the same fundamentals over here. So working with these actors, of course, Bhumi included, they just helped me improve so much as an actor myself. So it was just an amazing learning curve, you know.
Okay. And initially, of course, Durgamati was slated to release in theaters, but of course, due to the pandemic, it's now coming in on Amazon Prime. So, what do you think about the web release of the film? Because a lot of people are now able to, the viewership has increased because of the OTT platforms.
Um, See, as an actor, this is from a selfish point of view, but there's always something special about watching your film release on the big screen, and to see the reaction of the audience while you're seated in that screen, or to watch it with your friends. It's just a different experience and feeling. But honestly, to me, it doesn't matter whether it's a theatrical release or a release on an OTT platform, because again, I'm telling you just strictly from the point of view as of an actor, especially a sort of relatively new actor. For me, it's about the film being appreciated,
Okay.
liked, and my work being appreciated and noticed. And I think platforms like Amazon and OTT platforms are the perfect place to get that visibility. So as long as our film is watched and appreciated and liked, I don't really care whether it's in the theaters or in somebody's living room. You know, it makes no difference to me.
Okay, yeah, got it. And what about, is there any collaboration with Akshay Kumar, who's also the presenter of the film in Cards? Like, will we be seeing you sharing screen space with him? Because you two also featured in a song in your debut film, and now he's, of course, presenting the film.
See, that was just a different project, and that song happened for various different reasons. That was sort of his way of saying that he was proud of me
Yeah.
at that time. Uh, as far as this project is concerned, I really honestly don't know, because it's way above my pay grade. I have no idea what's in store, what's being planned. So I think you'll have to ask people way higher up than me to know.
Okay. And, as you mentioned that you are a relatively new actor, and of course, there are a lot of debutants every year that come into the film industry. But there, with so much competition being around, what is that one thing that matters the most to you? Your project being appreciated or the screen space? Because this entire people being like the audience being obsessed with the hero and the heroine in the film, what do you think about that?
When you're saying obsessed with screen space, what do you mean exactly?
The audience being obsessed with the hero and the heroine, the tags that are given. Of course, yeah.
So I never honestly, I don't classify myself as or consider myself to be a hero. I'm really not. I'm far from it. I think even in Blank, if you watch, there's nothing hero about it. I've worn literally one hoodie throughout the whole film, and it's not like a sort of what you would perceive to be a glamorous sort of thing. I just want to be a really good actor. I'm not concerned about the tags. I don't want to be a hero. I just want to make a living doing what I really enjoy doing, which is acting. And yeah, there is competition for anything that is worth doing. But I think it's important that I just stay true to myself in my journey, because I would lie if I say that I don't pay any notice to it. Of course, you know what your peers are doing, and that does drive you. But it's only driving me from a place of bettering myself and wanting to do better work myself, not in terms of wanting to out trump somebody. It never comes from that sort of space. So.
Okay, yeah, definitely. And what about, now that the web space has become even bigger than it was before, are you looking forward to making your digital debut as well with a show or another
I am
series?
making my digital debut next year. I'm signed on to do this web series on an OTT platform. I can't speak about it because it's
Okay.
not been officially announced yet. But I actually
Yeah.
signed it before I even signed Durgamati.
Oh,
So yeah, we were supposed to shoot last year, but then the virus happened. So it's something that I'm really excited about. Again, it's a character that it's something that I've never played. It's something very different and unconventional. Definitely not hero like. So again, I'm really excited to get into the skin of that character when that comes around.
Okay. And lastly, tell me something. How excited or nervous are you with Durgamati's release? Because when the trailer was released, of course, there was a buzz that was created. Fans were really exciting. Was that buzz reassuring, or did it make you kind of nervous?
Honestly, after your first film comes out and it doesn't do well, I don't think anything can make you nervous. And that's a good thing because I think it's important to deal with things like that relatively earlier on in your career than later on. So I'm definitely not nervous because I know we have an amazing cast. I know the film is full of amazing performances. We all know what Ashok sir is capable of because he made the original and it was a huge hit. So we've all given it our best, and there's nothing else we can do apart from that. So I'm really not nervous. I'm just excited. I'm excited to share our work with everybody, and that's about it. I don't really think too much about, of being nervous and people's opinions that much.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Karan, for chatting with me. It was a pleasure
Thank you so
talking to
much.
you.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.